another video. Today is an electronic review. It's not a toy review. If you guys didn't watch our vlog, just to tell you guys, watch it now. We met. I'm not even gonna say it. You guys just watch the vlog. The link is in the description below. Check it out. It was awesome. And time to really wear this watch a little less. It's time to get some Apple Watch madness. Well, you guys, so this is the Apple Watch Series 3. Let's get this Apple Watch opened up. Okay guys, so right here we're going to take everything out, put it to the side, so let's see what everything is. Okay, so these are just like tips and everything. There you go. Other stuff. Alright, now here, okay, so this is like the actual thing for the watch. So let's assemble this. In this Apple Watch box, we got the charger for the Apple Watch. Guys, so right here is where you can put your Apple Watch to charge it, and you can plug it in to the cable. Here is the band. Here is the actual Apple Watch Series 3. Here is your whole Apple Watch. You can get different bands. I just have a white one. So hopefully I can get some colors that I actually like pink and purple. Maybe like some actual design. So yeah, that's the unbox. To connect your Apple Watch to an iPhone, you have to charge it first. So let's go do that. Okay guys, so it's time to pair my Apple Watch Series 3 with my dad's iPhone. So let's go ahead and start pairing this. Start pairing. And now let's just take a quick picture of that. There we go. Alright, so let's just set up our Apple Watch now. I wear it on my left. Alright, I read all the terms and conditions. Signing into my account, my dad's account. Alright, so it's signed in. Workout route tracking. Watch analytics. Apple Watch shares settings with iPhone location services. Find my iPhone series. Some watch faces and apps. Okay. I'm gonna create a passcode. I put up a password for my Apple Watch, and now I'm gonna set up activity. Alright, birth date, all that stuff. Install available apps. Okay. You'll choose that later. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. So there it is. My watch is syncing right now. It's going through the process. So yeah, I'll get an alert. So let's wait a little bit for it to sync. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am all set up with my Apple Watch. So let's wear it. Okay, so you have to go to the digital crown. Press to show the dock. Alright. This is the power off. Cancel. double click for the Apple Pay, and press and hold for medical ID. Done. Let's go on display. And digital crown now. There we go. Did you guys hear that? Alright. There we go. Track everything here, the time. Oh, any selection you want. Alright, nice. Alright, let's just stick to the classic right there. Looks cool. All the apps. Okay. Okay guys, so this was the Apple Watch. Let's take it, let's wear it now. Okay guys, so here I have the Apple Watch.